Now we're going to go back into our symbols. This time we're going to be looking at our Venn diagram 2 and our Venn diagram 3. The Venn diagram 2 allows for you to have two circles that overlap as a typical Venn diagram. As you can see, these colors may not work for you, so we can change our options and change our backgrounds. We can do a lighter gray for the background with our borders of gray and our overlap with a yellow or any color that you wish to have. With these, you can adjust how far the overlap is, and you'll see that they will continue no matter where you place them to overlap. You can also change and adjust the width of your circles, the circumference there, and you can again move either circle so that they overlap. Now let's take a quick look at a Venn diagram 3. This is where you have 3 overlapping circles, and you can again adjust them so that it'll rotate around any of those other circles. You can adjust so that it's in the middle, however you see fit. You can adjust the circumference. And again, you can adjust those colors. Go with the light. And then just a gradual gradient here. And there you have your Venn diagram 3. You can edit. You will need to use the text tool to edit inside your Venn diagrams. You can adjust your font color inside your Venn diagrams. Adjust your font type. You'll want to make sure that you're careful because some of our font is not supported. So you'll just have to play around and figure out which one of the fonts you like best. And then you can adjust the font size as well. You can adjust if it's centered, right adjusted, or however you would like for that to be. You can adjust the size of your border. You can adjust just about anything on here. Okay? And I believe that is everything on Venn diagram 2 and Venn diagram 3.